Hey guys, this is Lisa with geekgirlfinds. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for a new company that I just recently came across. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and we'll get right into that. Okay, so I don't know, a week or two ago I came across, when you're on Facebook, you see the little ads, come by on your feed. And it was for a company called Hush. Obviously, from what I saw, what, caught my eye was they sold cosmetics. So, of course, I was, going to click on it. But anyways, because I'm a sucker. So I clicked on it, and I'm actually really glad I did. They have, I'm going to put a link down below for the company, but they have a variety of different stuff. They have Korean, K-beauty, like face masks for really good prices, like $1, $2. And I noticed they also carry some little higher end brands, which I noticed on those, the prices on this website are pretty comparable to what you could get anywhere else price wise. But I did notice they had a lot of lower priced things that I was interested in. And I thought, why not? I had some credit on a PayPal account, and I was like, it's no skin off my hide if it's a bust, I'll give it a try. And anyways, so I signed up for it, and I downloaded the app for it through the Google Play Store. I do not know if they have it for you iPhone users, which I know a lot of y'all are. I'm sure they do. They're a business. They want to make money. So, but this is the box that I got. Hush, it's a secret. But inside, I already kind of peeked in here because I was curious about something. But inside, they packed it very well. Lots of bubble wrap, which all of us, I know, a lot of us have ordered makeup online, and you get it, especially from Amazon. They're the worst. But it is shaken around in the package. It has been knocked to and fro for, hundreds of miles. And by the time you get it, your palettes are cracked, so on and so forth. We all know the nightmare. It's happened to all of us. So I was really pleased, first off, with the packaging, with the way they packed everything. So anyways, I got, one of the items I chose was this Clean Color Pro. And it came with a makeup primer and matte setting spray duo. Obviously, I haven't opened it. I'm not really familiar with this brand. Maybe some of you are. I don't know if it's any good or not. But the price was sure right. It was $10 for this set. And they seem to be pretty good sizes. So let's open this without me knocking the camera or the laptop over. But yeah, this 4 ounces. Some of my makeup sprays are way less than that, and I paid a lot more for them. So I don't know. So there's the Prep and Prime, and the other one is the setting spray. So anyways, I will definitely be trying these. Curious about the mist factor. Not bad. Doesn't smell bad. I mean, off the bat, I don't see anything terrible about this. That's what my skin is. Sorry, I had some mascara fall out. Damn you, mascara fall out. But anyway, so I'll be trying that. And I will share my thoughts with you guys as soon as I formulate some thoughts. They also had, sorry guys, I'm still trying to get over this whatever I have, this plague that I've had for months now. They also had eyelashes for $2. Yeah, $2 each. I mean, Eyelashes are expensive. Are these the best quality eyelashes? I have no idea. But I will try them. And I got these, I guess, is this brand Casina? But this is one set of the lashes. I mean, they look nice and fluffy. I mean, how bad could it be? I guess it'd be looking at, you know, what does the band look like? What is it going to feel like, you know, on my lids? And this was number 213. Which I thought, you know, they look fluffy and nice. And I got these. Theirs are a little bit more, I guess, more of a dramatic kind of thing. But, yeah, 3 lashes for $6. Sign me up. And with this, you're not signing up for anything. You do get options to earn reward points through Hush. So that's fun. If I had a link I could share with y'all where I could, you know, make some money or earn products, I would. But they don't have that. So in a way, it's kind of nice. It's just these are the products. It is what it is. There's not like, you know, major incentive programs, you know. Invite your friends. Also, I got the W7 Banana Dreams powder. I don't know if you could really figure out the color from here, but I really wanted to try a more yellower, that's not a word, more yellow powder to just kind of try for like baking or to just kind of tone down some like redness and some spots that happen sometimes. But it's a, anyway, so I thought I'd give this a whirl. It's 20 grams, 0.70 ounces. Banana Dreams loose powder. And the brand, I guess, is W7. So, don't know much about them. This looks familiar, though. Maybe I've seen someone else review it. There was something about this one that seemed familiar to me. And the other one I got was a retractable, waterproof eye pencil. I got it in white for the waterline on my eye to brighten. And I'm not sure. Okay, so far it's pretty easy to open. Do you hate it when you get eye pencils and you need the jaws of life to get in? And this plastic is stuck to me now. Ugh. Anyways, so this is it. This is, I guess the brand is called She Brands. New to my world, but so this is kind of what that looks like, and we'll do I don't know. It's maybe because it's a little chilly. I don't feel like it's going on very easily, but, you know, actually, while I have you here, we will try on the waterline. Okay. Not seeing a ton happening here. I feel like this is a little too waxy, so I'll play with it a little bit more. Maybe it needs warming up. I don't know. I'll put it in the microwave. We'll see what happens. So far, this on first impression seems to be a bust. I mean, on there, for me, it's a hit and miss. A lot of it's brands that probably none of us have ever heard of. And then again, as I said, they do have some brands that we've all heard of. So there's some familiars and unfamiliars. So I think, you know, if you wanted to get like a gift basket together for somebody, or you don't have a lot of money to spend, but you want to get some beauty guru friend of yours, you know, a nice gift, you could stock up on some of the cheap, like the face masks, you know, some random stuff like this, you know, and it's fun. So, but, you know, these are the prices on everything. I really did not spend a lot of money at all. I was supposed to get a free gift. That didn't happen. But yeah, it was like 2, 4, 6, 8, 25, 26 bucks I spent. So, you know, the powder, the lashes, and the 2 sprays, if you factor all that in, I feel like I got, you know, my money's worth. And then maybe saved a little bit, maybe found something new, a bargain or something. So, but I'm going to test them further, and then I'll get with you guys on it and kind of let you know some final thoughts on a future video. But yeah, first impressions on this, no bueno. But anyway, so if you're interested, I will leave a link for, I keep wanting to say holler, for hush.com. And if you want, you can download the app, check it out for yourself, and, you know, see if there's any good finds, good steals out there for you. But anyways, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.